In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status to offline on Fiverr. This is handy if you're stepping away for a bit, taking a vacation, or simply want to pause new inquiries without affecting your existing orders. Going offline hides you from the online sellers filter and helps set clear expectations for potential buyers while you focus on other work. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Fiverr, then click the official Fiverr website from the results. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on Fiverr, look to the upper right corner of the page for your profile picture or username. Click it to open the account menu, and from there, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the page where you can manage your account preferences. Inside Account Settings, select Personal Information from the left-hand menu. This section includes your visibility and availability options. Scroll down until you find the area labeled Online Status. This is the setting that controls whether you appear online to others and whether you show up when buyers filter for sellers who are currently online. Click the option that says Go Offline 4. A small menu will appear with preset durations: 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or forever. Choose the time frame that best fits your situation. 1 hour is great for a quick focus session. 1 day or 1 week works well for structured breaks or travel, and forever keeps you offline until you manually switch back to online. After you've selected your preferred duration, make sure to save your changes. Click Save Changes at the bottom to confirm. Fiverr will apply the update right away. To double-check, you can glance back at the Online Status section. It should now reflect the duration you selected. A few quick tips to keep in mind. While offline, you won't appear as available to new buyers using the online filter, but your inbox and existing orders remain accessible. You can still reply to messages and manage delivery timelines. If you're away for longer periods, consider setting buyer expectations in your profile or quick responses. And when you're ready to come back online, just return to the same place. Profile menu, Account Settings, Personal Information, Online Status, clear the offline duration or switch back to online, and save. That's all you need to change your status to offline on Fiverr. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your availability with confidence.